Yes, we're gonna start our wood fire for house. Now it's -11. Okay. Yan ang aming wood fire for our chimney. Let's try. More. Huh? More. And there you go. Let's check. More pa.
Ito ang galing ng bark nito, umaapoy.
Ah, really? Ito kasi fresh trees. Cut by Andrews. Yan, ang dami nyo.
Sabi niya, huwag daw masyadong punuin.
Okay, tama na yan.
Lagyan unti-unti lang.
Okay, so just a little bit lang.
Mamaya.
Yan, bark. Cut bark.
Disindihan ka.
From this tree, no? Okay.
Hindi ko alam kung ano.
Oh, yes. There you go. Oh, galing ah. Nice. Yan. Okay, starting the fire. More.
Once na nag-start na yan, dire-diretso na lang.
Yeah. Pa more. Yun more. Galing for our chimney.
Yun na, nag-start na yung malaki.
Yes. Galing. Ano, yes. Okay.
Will burn from front to back.
Okay. Yun. Wala ka din pala to. Okay. Good for you. Yeah. Starting our fire eating. Let's go. No. Yes. Let's go. And siya, wood fire. Warm air furnace. Ayan. Yun pala. Yun. Mainit na. Dapat burn wood only. Ayan, mayroon siyang special instructions to follow here, guys. Ayan o, burn wood. Susundan and follow the instruction. And there you go. No. Ayan. Wood fire. Let's go. Ayan na. Go. Tuk na. Yes. Ayan na. Chimney heat. Let's go. Tukan na. Ayan na. Closing. There you go. Yan na. Wood level. Ang ganda lang.
Ito para yung
This one.
palakasin.
Yes.
Yung hangin. So
Okay. More air. Let's go. There you go. Let's check outside. There you go. Sa taas. Heating na kami. Little more. Oh, galing ah. Warm one. Let's check. You know, success. Galing ni Daddy. Very good. Good job, Dad. Heating na yung aming bahay. Galing. Very cold. Negative 11. Oh, this is our home, sweet home. Ooh. Yay! Lamig. Galing. Warm na. Sarap. Yun na. Merry Christmas. Winter season here. Let's go.